we're in the key of F. 1, the 6, and a 2. Let's feel it. Okay, just 1 and 3. I'm gonna add 7. It's kind of cool. I'll do a hammer on. Slow it down a little bit. Open string. Interesting. The 7, the 9, and the 6. Check this out. 7 chords. So this is F major 7, D minor 7, and G minor 7, 9. Change one thing. Let's take F major 7, D minor 7, 9 to G minor 7, 9. G minor 7. Now. So little passing chord. I'll explain. G minor, A diminished, B flat, C. Pause for a sec. At the end of the video, I'll give a little update about Eden. If you want to check it out, you can just go there later. Thanks. If you want to get the most out of this lesson, there is a full transcription and a PDF on my Patreon. You can check it out. Thank you. I'll pause for a second just so you grab this. So F major 7, I'm kind of doing a hammer on. Then D minor 7, 9 to D minor 7, 9, 11. With the G is on top, and then G minor 7, 9. You can also add this if you want the whole shape. And then I kind of did a passing chord of A diminished to the B flat. Then I played C sus, C7 sus 4. Slowly, a little bit slower, just so you can hear it. And that kind of syncopated rhythm, I don't know, I just felt it. So D minor 7, 9, G minor 7, 9, C sus. 6, 2. What happened here? Let me see if I remember what I did. So I went to the C sus, then I went to C sharp diminish, then I went to the 6th, and then I did kind of a line cliche, basically a bass motion descending. D minor over C, B half diminished to B flat. Major 7. Let's hear it and let's call it A B. So I'm kind of gonna loop the first section for a second. Something like that. And then try to go to this section. So what happened here? I went to the 6 over C, B. This is the sharp 4 diminished, half diminished, and then I went to the 4, and then I went to the 4 minor, which is kind of a classic move. Let's hear it all together. what I did now, I actually play the same chords but different voicing. So I play this F major 7 here, D minor 7 9 here because I wanted a different melody, and then I went to G minor 7 here, C sus, C7 sus 4, and then the second time, if I remember correctly, F major 7, D minor 7 9, G minor 7, and I did basically kind of like approach, basically played a B flat sus to C sus. It's a little kind of a slide to get this kind of color. Let's hear it one more time. Now going to the B. Cool. So for me, the idea of taking something simple, again, we started here, 1, 6, 2, and I kept trying new things, and I kept trying to explore with little things like shell chord and hammer on, then later on opening the guitar a little bit with an open string, and then richer, fuller chords, and then a little bit of passing chords. Again, simple things. We had the 6, little diminished chord leading to that 4 and the 5. It's not something crazy, but what's interesting about it is, again, taking something very simple, I don't want to say basic, but something simple and beautiful in the key, and trying to find the beauty in it, and trying to find the time, the rhythm, and trying to explore it. Again, I'm kind of exploring it with you guys right now on the spot. It's not something that I pre-planned in the sense of the progression. I just decided to take something and I wanted to see where it can go and where it can lead. So my best advice with that is, first of all, if something in this kind of progression and the variation that I did is interesting for you and clicking with you, please try to take it and work on that so you can play it, and then it will be a part of your arsenal. And even if all these chords are chords you hate, which I don't believe because they're beautiful guitar shapes, you can try and figure out by yourself things that you like. It can be simple chords, it can be anything that you like it to be, but the process of exploring music is kind of really important to get good and to learn more guitar, and of course, and then you have more power to create and write music and understand music better. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you very soon. Peace out. Hey, so about Eden, he's doing better actually the last couple of days. He's more stable and feeling better. The chemo is in process, and things are going forward, so we're happy about that. It's it's hard to see him not feeling good at times, but he's doing really well. We're at the hospital literally 24/7. Just again stopped by for a couple hours and going back soon. It's really difficult time, so thanks for supporting and being a real community here with all the messages and all the things, and it means a lot. I'll try to give more updates soon, and hopefully really positive ones. Looks like the first kind of section of this chemo would be about 6 months, that likely will have to be at the hospital the whole time because he's so small. Thank you again, and I'll keep you posted, and I hope to carry a lot of good news, and thanks.